Toronto Terminal, Skywagon Golf Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, go ahead.
Yes, sir, 185 amphibian over Lake Ontario, 2,000 feet. We'd like to do a tour of the Port Credit, Mississauga area and then get on the tower and go up to Brampton. Golf Whiskey Mike Alpha.
So you want to do Port Credit, then Pearson, then Brampton?
That's correct, Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Okay, squawk 5540.
5540 Golf Whiskey Mike Alpha.
.com 2200, send 4,000 if I was feeling sick.
Send 4,000, we'll let you know. .com 2200.
Make sure your belt is tight so you don't crank your noggin against the roof.
Good idea. Cinch the belts.
Plane's getting a nice wash.
It is getting a good wash.
Whiskey Mike Alpha identified.
Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Center.com 2200, we have to field site.
.com 2200, Roger, clear visual approach runway 33.
Clear visual approach 33 at Sarnia.com 2200.
Like that wind is veered right around. I didn't want to go through that big load of precipitation over there. Visibility doesn't look too good.
Is there a risk of lightning?
No, not with this. A lot of cumulus stuff. It's mostly stratiform. You have control. This is a good altitude here, 800 feet. Watch for birds. If you see a bird, then climb. Let's tuck right in close to the shore. And I'm going to slow us down a little bit. Probably going to need to trim up. Here's the Rattray Marsh.
Center.com 2200, down clear in Sarnia.
.com 2200, thank you. Whiskey Mike Alpha, showing you at 600 feet, you all right there?
Yeah, we're all good. Whiskey Mike Alpha. We're used to being down this low.
Okay, call Pearson Tower when you're headed there on 18.7, altimeter 2976.
2976 and 118.7 for Pearson, thank you. 976, I have control.
Hey, Center, good afternoon. Skybiz 529 with flight level 200, descending on 12,000.
Skybiz 529, hello, descend at 10,000, altimeter 2977.
2977, descend 10,000, Skybiz 529.
Toronto Whiskey Mike Alpha here. We're just going to do some leftover orbits over Port Credit.
Roger.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, we're going to call Toronto Tower now.
Great, see you.
See you, thanks. Toronto Tower, Skywagon, Golf Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, Toronto Tower, afternoon.
Yes, sir, we're just doing some orbits over Port Credit, and when we're done here, we'd like to come up overhead the field if we can back to Brampton. Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, that'll be no problem. Let me know when you finish, ready to set course.
Okay, we'll be back to you in a minute. Whiskey Mike Alpha.
Say the aircraft type one more time.
Yeah, Cessna 185 amphibian.
Roger.
We don't want to get pwned by a drone.
No.
A good sharp lookout. I can't believe how clear that water is. You can just see the bottom, right to the very bottom. Oh, there's a radio controlled plane. No, it's a swan. I thought it was an RC plane, a big white RC plane, but it's a swan in the Lakefront Promenade. There's our high school.
Yep.
Kind of neat that we all went there. Toronto Tower Skywagon, Golf Whiskey Mike Alpha. We'd like to do some right orbits now and penetrate the zone.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, as requested.
You can really see Boslo's place, eh?
Yeah, it shows right up. That's a Basel. It's a castle. Beautiful. And Toronto Tower Skywagon, Whiskey Mike Alpha. We'd like to come straight up 33 right if we could.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, head towards runway 33 right. There's one RJ about to depart off runway 06 left.
Roger, we're heading towards 33 right.
Jazz 539, good afternoon, all set?
All set to go, Jazz 539.
Jazz 539, wind 010, 20, gusting 26, clear for takeoff, runway 06 left.
539, clear takeoff.
Well, if the engine quits here, we're kind of pook rate. Basically going to be on the Queensway. There's a departing jetliner.
Wow.
Jazz 539, got a departure 12 negative.
539, bye-bye.
And Whiskey Mike Alpha's 1 mile, final 33 rate.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, clear for the low and over, runway 33 right, wind 010, 20, goes 26, once you finish, direct Brampton.
That was a bit garbled. Would you say again, please, for Whiskey Mike Alpha?
Whiskey Mike Alpha, clear for the Lone, runway 33 right, and then direct to Brampton.
Whiskey Mike Alpha, right, thank you. Clear for Brampton.
We're not touching down, eh?
No. Gears up, we're not landing.
Yeah.
Shiver Me Pistons is having a bit of a freak out.
Mike Alpha, 778, Buttonville, nope, Buttonville, Brampton is 1233, have a good day.
Good day, sir, thanks. Whiskey Mike Alpha. Brampton traffic, Skywagon, Whiskey Mike Alpha. We're 4 miles to the southeast. Inbound for landing. We'll be crossing over the field at 2400 for a look-see. Whiskey Mike Alpha. Brampton traffic, Amphibian Whiskey Mike Alpha is overhead the field at 2400 northbound. Brampton traffic, Whiskey Mike Alpha will join mid-left downwind for 33. And watch for traffic everywhere. And there's a mixture. And there's gear. And there's flaps. And there's a bunch of trim. Pump check, fuel. Fuel on and both undercarriages in transit, mixtures in, and the props in. Gears down for runway landing. That's a runway. I see wheels in the mirrors. And thank you, Dad. And will I take 20 flaps? Brampton traffic, Whiskey Mike Alpha is turning left base for 33, full stop. Pump check, fuel. That's on. Both. Undercarriage is good for the runway. Mixtures in and the props in. Pump check, fuel. On. Both. Undercarriage is good. Mixtures in, props in. We're set to go.